So alright guys, Meta just released a new image to 3D model called as SAM 3D. So let's check it out. This is apparently an open source and open weight model available in GitHub. Somehow weirdly it's not available in Hugging Face. I don't know why they have provided any link to Hugging Face and stuff like that. So this is essentially two models, one for objects and one for 3D bodies under the license which they called as the SAM license. So apparently this license allow you to use and modify the code however you want. You can distribute it, sell it and everything. The thing is you have to cite Meta if you are doing a research paper or you're going to distribute the model or something like that. The restriction is you can't use for harmful stuffs, you can't patent their technology, and you can't reverse engineer their stuff. So that's a pretty interesting license there. So let's go and simply try this out. So you can try this out in the Meta's playground itself. So I'm gonna just sign in and I'm gonna just try to create. Here you can upload your image. So the first thing that we're gonna test is the object thing. So here you can click on the object that you want to add. For example, let me click this speaker and it will automatically detect the speaker and select it. It is essentially using something called as segment anything, which is also by Meta. Then you can click on generate 3D and the 3D model should be generated here. As you can see, some cool animations there, and we have the speaker and it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now let's try to add another object. Let's try this one here. It's gonna select it first. If you want more, you can select. Let me click on generate. It's essentially gonna generate it right in there. As you can see, it has generated the cactus kind of plant vase. Looks pretty good for me. So let's try to generate something else like this record player. Let me select all the elements of it. If you want to remove any elements, you can click on this one and you can just click on the part that you want to remove. So I'm just gonna add stuffs in here. So it is starting to generate it. I forgot to remove this marker, so it generated both. Not a problem. As you can see, it looks cool. It has detected all the elements in the back side and front, and overall it looks pretty good, man. So let's try another image. Click on create 3D scene. Let's try another room image. Now I think let's try this lamp in here, and here you go. This is what you get. It is pretty good and usable for 3D printing or games or animation or whatnot. So now let's try different type of images. Like let's try to generate the monument of Taj Mahal. So I've just uploaded the image of Taj Mahal. I'm just gonna add the parts that I want to generate. I want the stones too, so I'm gonna just click on it to add them into the selection, and then I'm gonna just click on generate 3D. That's pretty good. It has detected it should have like 4 tomes and it should be behind this and whatnot. It's very good. It has mastered the symmetry. It has done a great job in these details. You can just upscale this model and you're ready to use it for your next game or project or any 3D stuffs that you're gonna do. So here I have uploaded an image of Tanjo's big temple. So I'm just gonna select the components that I want. I'm just gonna select this temple right here and I'm gonna click on generate 3D. Okay, it's generating. Looks good. That's really good, man. It has detected what should be here. The structure just looks good, but the textures need upscaling and some work, but the overall structure is good. That is the point that we're gonna check, right? Overall it's a pretty good model. It has detected what should be on the top, although it's wrong, but yeah, it has just tried. Now I've uploaded an image of Rockford temple here in Trichy. I'm just gonna select the elements as usual. I've selected the whole mountain with the temple and I'm gonna click on generate 3D. Man, I just love this kind of pixel stuff in here, man. It looks so cool. Oh, it has tried some stuff, although it's not perfect because we have just given an image of like this angle which is so difficult to predict. It has done a very good job, man. It has kind of built the temple here. It has tried to mimic this thing right here, and the upper temple looks quite good, although the details are not that preserved, but the general structure looks quite good. And this ability to select is really and this ability to select different parts of the image is really cool. Now let's test out create 3D bodies stuff. So I'm gonna upload an image of this man. It's gonna automatically detect the people that it wanna take, and as you can see, it has generated a skeleton with a pose, with the exact same pose, and it looks pretty good. And you can download it as GLB. I forgot to say it's the same in 3D scenes. You can export it as GLB. I'm gonna try to upload this image of a man doing yoga. Now I'm gonna click on this person in order to select it, and as you can see, it has done a pretty good job in mimicking the exact same pose, which is pretty insane. Let's try another image which has multiple characters doing a complex pose. So very interested, so see what it's gonna give. So it has selected different people, which is pretty cool. I'm just gonna give one of them for a testing. Let's see what is. Oh, that's insane. It has generated the one person. Let me test it with another one. That's pretty cool, man. It has also generated the post. Now let's click on generate all people to generate all the people, and as you can see, it has perfectly done everything and it's pretty cool. You can as usual download it as a GLB. Overall, this is a pretty cool model and it's open source and open weights. So just try it out, tinker it out, and make 3D models with it and stuff. That's it for this video. Bye bye.